Welcome to our comparison of two Euhomy dryers. Today, we're diving into the features and specifications of the Euhomy compact laundry dryer and the Euhomy dryer. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they have distinct differences that may influence your decision. We'll look at their capacities, power outputs, drying modes, and pricing to determine which dryer is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy dryer offers a larger 3.52 cu fort capacity, allowing you to dry more clothes at once compared to the Euhomy compact laundry dryer, which has a capacity of 2.65 CUFT. This difference in capacity can be significant for larger households or those who frequently do laundry. In terms of power output, the Euhomy dryer has a slightly higher power rating of 1500 W compared to the 1400 W of the Euhomy compact laundry dryer. This means that the Euhomy dryer may heat up faster and potentially dry clothes more quickly, making it a more efficient option for users who need to get laundry done in a hurry. The Euhomy compact laundry dryer features multiple drying modes, including intelligent, strong, ECO, and normal, providing versatility for different fabric types. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer utilizes a sensor drying mode, which adjusts the drying time based on the moisture level in the clothes, potentially saving energy and preventing over-drying. In conclusion, both the Euhomy compact laundry dryer and the Euhomy dryer have their unique advantages. The compact model is ideal for smaller spaces and offers multiple drying modes, while the Euhomy dryer provides a larger capacity and sensor drying for energy efficiency. Depending on your specific needs, either could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.